Another quick look at a mistake people make on this 50 miles an hour road. Further up here I'm going to be turning left. There's the sign for it, so I'm going to do interior mirror, left door mirror, signal left. The junction's really big, so it's got an area that I peel into out the way of the traffic behind. I'm going to brake, I'm going to carefully bring my speed smoothly down to 20, and then I'm going to go directly clutch down into second gear, clutch up before the corner, staying on the brake gently, looking around the corner, it all looks good, so I'm going to gently accelerate. The speed changes to national speed limit, but because I've brought the speed down enough, I can look around that corner. In this case it's the puddle, so I can, you know, carefully negotiate that. A lot of people don't bring the speed down enough, and they also don't go in when that opens up. So the reason it opens up like that is so there's a designated area for you to get out the way of the traffic behind, so that when you're doing that slowing down, they can continue past on your right, you're not in their way. Hopefully that helps. Good luck with the test.